Hello friends, the product in front of you is Fume Pro 201. It is a fume extraction system used for two operators. It absorbs the noxious fumes while soldering is in progress. So now we will unbox it and we will show you how what the contents of the contents supplied along with this fume extraction system. See, if this is the operating manual. The extra pre-filters, normally two or three extra pre-filters are supplied. The power cord, remote control and the connecting wire. First we take out this foam cover and just take out the main unit. See, this is how it looks. It's a very sturdy type equipment. Now we will show you the first step. Before operating this unit, we need to take out the filter cassette and remove this foam sheet. Just point the finger towards the foam sheet. Yeah, this is the foam sheet. We need to remove it before operating the unit. This is how it is removed, and insert this filter cassette inside the unit. The gasket, this is the metal plate which increases the life of pre-filters and the middle filter also. This is the pre-filter. Few extra pre-filters are also supplied, as I told you before. This is the middle filter, and third and last one is the main HEPA filter. Now we put it back in the same sequence. First HEPA, then middle, then pre-filter, then the metal plate, then the gasket. Now the top cover is kept back on the unit, and it is clamped with the help of these 4 clamps provided on the body. Now we will just power it on. This main power cord is inserted inside this slot. It is operated on 230 volt AC single phase power supply. This is the on off switch, and we can see the display. With the help of these push buttons provided on the front panel, we can increase or decrease the airflow volume. See, 10 is the highest one and 1 is the lowest one. Similarly, this remote control is also provided along with this unit. It is connected with the help of this connecting wire, and on off switch is also provided on the remote control. We can switch the unit on and off with the help of this on off button, and with the help of this rotating knob we can increase or decrease the airflow volume. See how it is done. Now we'll move to next part. We will show you how to connect the extraction arms on top of the unit. This is how the extraction arms are connected to the main unit. As explained earlier, the length of these extraction arms can be increased or decreased depending upon the location where you want to use this fume extraction system. Accessories are also supplied along with this fume extraction unit, but these all are optional. If the customer want to purchase these optional accessories for bench clamping, they can do so. This is the bench clamps, and this is the mounting bracket. 2 units are supplied along with each unit. Then these square absorbers, instead of this round, we can use the square absorber as well. These square absorbers are burn proof because these are metallic. Then these connection hoses, the 2 connection hoses are supplied with 1 unit. Now we will show you how to how to just use this bench clamp for clamping this unit with the table, working table. This is how the bench clamping brackets are mounted on the table. Now we will show you how to connect the this connection hoses with this bench clamps. Now we will take the other one as well, the second one, and see how it is connected to the main unit. Now we will explain how these extraction arms are connected with the help of bench clamp to the main unit. See, these are push fit type configuration. Easily connect these extraction arms to the main unit with the help of these bench clamps. The arms can be maneuvered at a specific location, and the length of these arms can be adjusted